Donald Trump of all people. It is what it is. People are always asking us to let them know if we've got an apartment with great renovation potential right opposite the beach. How much better does it get than this? So the base apartment here is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, single level, directly opposite the beach. You can see that they've already framed up the bulkheads and done the pre-wire for electrical, so you can have downlights all the way around. And you've got the framework for a really fantastic kitchen that opens out onto a great living area. So you're probably going to need new rollers, but we can get there eventually. Got it.